इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए और आज यहाँ पे किस प्रकार का काम है और क्या कुछ होने वाला है, क्या कार्यक्रम है, कार्यक्रम के बारे में जरा हमारे दर्शकों को बताइए जी।
इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में?
हिंदी, इंग्लिश, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग।
I am the president of Rotary Club of Bombay West, the second oldest club of Bombay. We are celebrating the International Women's Day today, and we are giving the award of the Extraordinaire Women to Karishma Kapoor ji, and we are also honoring 12 lady Rotarians. Out of a membership of 150, we have 12 lady Rotarians, and we also have the inner wheel of Rotary Club of Bombay West, which has got nearly 90 members, and the president of the club and the prominent women of the club are also being felicitated with a memento.
किस कैटेगरी में अवार्ड दिया जाएगा सर, क्या?
This award has been given to them because they are outstanding women. In Rotary, all the members have a classification and they are the leaders in their own profession. So these ladies have achieved a lot in their entire career, and we'll be definitely honoring them on that accord. Yes, these awards, these mementos will be given to all the lady Rotarians by Karishma Kapoor, and she will also be releasing a campaign on skin, eye and organ donation, which is being supported by Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank. The general manager of the bank is here also, and he will be with Karishma ji, and we will release this entire campaign which will cover all the branches of Punjab Maharashtra Cooperative Bank.
You know what you people are doing a fantastic job. You know why a specific day to celebrate Women's Day?
Because this is International Women's Day, so on this occasion we wanted to invite her and we want to award.
Whose idea was this, to get it, as he said, since after the site or there will be a organ. Medical thing is also connected where Abdul initiative, social media, whose idea was this?
Basically, it is the idea of the board member and the president is the leader of the board. So this is basically his idea, and the cooperation of the board director and all the members of this club, we are organizing this event.
This is the female apart from Krishna Kapoor being awarded. Can you please tell us something about the females? They have done excellence.
Now we have in the inner wheel, we have Mrs. International Women's International Inner Wheel past president. So she is going to be felicitated today because Dr. Pallavi Shah. So she is also here with us today. So we'll be felicitating her also, because being an international inner wheel president is a very big post, and definitely she deserves this recognition from us.
Somebody like Krishna Kapoor is there and will be giving award to the nominee, to the winner. How proud you feel like people in the female women who are getting the award? How proud are women?
Yeah, you can see that all the ladies, we are felicitating 18 of them today, and all 18 are present, and we have got more than 100 members already here. So we can see that they are feeling very proud and good about this award being given to them.
What was Krishna's reaction when you approached her and asked her to be here for this event?
No, she was very happy, and she was very glad to come, and you all will be seeing her when she arrives in the next few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. सामने खड़ी है।
मैम एक मिनट मैम, चलो जान अंदर लो, साइड करो, चलो।
Ms. Karishma Kapoor, our extraordinaire
Khan, General Manager, Punjab Maharashtra Corporate Bank. Ms. Pallavi Shah, past Innovate International President. Ms. Kiri Kaur. International Women's Day is a global day celebrating and political achievements of women. This day emerged as such in the years for women's rights. Much has been achieved since those days, but much remains to be done. This year for International Women's Day is Press for Progress to help accelerate gender parity. I personally think that if it was not for a woman, I would not have been speaking this message today. So I salute my mother. To each one, please come and introduce our guest.
Good evening, friends. Pleasure to have you all here on a very important. In times to come in the next 50 years, I'm sure we'll celebrate on Men's Day also, the way they are empowering us. I'm quite worried, President. President Pateja has been very kind enough to honor all the ladies on this forum. We presented this day on a very important occasion. We have with us a very star person, Karisma. She is going production. She's been a very dear friend for 20 years, and believe you me, she hasn't changed. She never looked at me, I can't do anything close to what she's been doing. Saanson ki Jarurat Ho Jise. You have all such beautiful songs that she has had picturized. Kasam se Sona Kitna Sona Hai. We have all seen all these during our days when we are growing up. Absolutely well deserved. The establishment I is very important.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for this wonderful honor. Firstly, I'd like to say that to the Rotary Club of Bombay West. Thank you for honoring me in such a special way, on such a special eve of International Women's Day. I'd just like to say that I know Dr. Himanshu Mehta, like he says, for the last nearly 20 years, he's actually seen me through my career. And I'd like to just tell you a little incident. Many incidents, but one particular time in my life when I was doing a very grueling movie called Shakti. And we were shooting in Rajasthan, and there was so much of sand that used to come into my eyes that there was a time that my eyes were popping out. And I had to fly to Bombay, and Dr. Himanshu took care of me, and he treated me throughout that entire 2 months. And he was like, "What are you doing? There's so much of sand in your eyes, and then you put glycerine and you cry so much." Like, they were so swollen. So he's actually seen the hard work that we put in. People think it's a very glamorous life, but it's also a very tough life, and he's someone who's really supported me throughout that time. And I'd also like to, in a way, dedicate this award to Sri Devi ji. Like I related that incident about Shakti, and it's so strange that she was the producer of that movie. It was produced by Boney Kapoor and Sri Devi. And I remember her being on the sets of that film. So I think I'd like to dedicate this award in her memory and for her. Thank you so much.
20 years, I put on 20 years, she has not taken a single day.
Ram.
All the lady Rotarians and
side, कहीं पे
Thank you. Look, ma'am.
Thank you.
Look here.
coupled with
skills. Bhima is the go-to person for anything done. This good-natured and soft-spoken Rotarian, although looks like a Rotractor herself, always has a very ravishing. Past President Rotarian Maya Bhatt, if there were no bad people, there won't be successful solicitors. And Golden Year Interview President Meera Seth, Golden Tea, always enthusiastic and full of new ideas. Dr. Palak, here is our emotional, dynamic, always scaling new heights. Rotary and Pallavi is the crowning glory of our club. Rotary Rajul Doshi, an effective HR consultant, the game-changing thoughts we have got.
सब लोग बोलते कैमरामैन बोलते हैं अपना। देखो सर बैठिए सर ना सर बैठिए ना सर से
यहाँ पे रहेगा यहाँ पे देखिए आपको मास्टर हाँ जी
तो कैमरा पीछे कर इसको डाउन चल रहा कम से कम
सेंटर देन आपके लेफ्ट ओके थैंक यू
मैम बाइट कर मैम मैम
गाइस थोड़ा सा पीछे ओके रेडी लोग क्या
ओके
एक्शन
and then do okay I can't get all of them but
Okay, one more.
because all are not coming
You say action and
I'm doing like this and taking
okay, she will say action.
okay
1, 2, 3, 4, action!
no wait I have to say okay good guys look here 1 2 3 go think about it
चलो थैंक यू
हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे क्या जहन में आता जब हम बात करते हैं महिला शक्तिकरण तो क्यों एक ही दिन खास क्यों महिला के लिए
Well, I think हर दिन is important to celebrate women. I think women are the strongest. And जैसे मैं कहती हूँ, the meaning of mom is master of multitasking. So I think a woman, a mother can do it all. Sorry, doctor. Sorry, पर मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगी.
We support.
And thank you, of course, to Rotary Club of Bombay West for giving me this honor and recognizing my journey in films and even post that. तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही अच्छा माहौल है, and it's a pleasure to be here.
और करिश्मा क्योंकि आप जब बात करते हैं और हम सब मानते हैं एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी राजा हिंदुस्तान से रफ्तार अनगिनत फिल्में करती हैं अलग-अलग अभिनय
Well, actually टाइम ही नहीं है नॉस्टैल्जिक होना. जैसे आपने याद दिलाया या यहाँ के अवार्ड मिलकर मुझे कुछ किस्से याद आए, तो I think that's how we get nostalgic, and I think the media and the fans keep me to get nostalgic, so that's a good thing.
The most important woman in your life?
Oh my God, that's a tough question because I would definitely say I have three: my mother, my daughter, and my sister. And all of them are not necessarily in that order. All of them are most important to me. All number one.
Okay, apart from the last one, what action you plan?
Well, I keep myself busy. I do a lot of endorsements, lots of events, and अभी film तो पता नहीं मैं करूँगी कि नहीं. Keep waiting. Thank you.
Yeah.